Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filming a video using the Dream Street with collab with Kathleenlight and ColourPop. This is her eyeshadow palette and mine has been used and abused, and the packaging is starting to look a little crusty and faded, but this palette is to die for. So today I'm going to be showing you one of my go-to looks that I wear all the freaking time. Like, I just love the look so much, and it just makes blue eyes just pop. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching and let's get into the video. So going on to the eyes, we're going to be using the Dream Street palette by Kathleenlight and ColourPop. This is one of my favorite palettes. As you can see, this is my favorite color out of the palette. One is Stardust, I believe. Okay, so we're just going to be going in with this Morphe brush because all of my brushes are dirty. So we're just going to be going in with a little bit of Stardust. Yeah, it's called Stardust. And we're just going to be working this into the crease just as a transition shade. So I'm just going to go ahead and start building that up right in the outer part of the eye, and then start blending it in towards the inner corner and a little bit up towards the eyebrows. That way when we add the darker shades, it'll blend nice and seamlessly. So this color is pretty pigmented, but it's also on the lighter spectrum, color spectrum. So it just gives a nice little something to the look, you know? So we're just gonna blending it in. The eyelash, the band. Your eyelashes in the outer V of the eye, and then I'm gonna start bringing it into that crease and mixing it with a little Stardust, and just start blending Stardust and Sweet Dreams together. And these colors look so good on blue eyes. It just makes it pop, pop. We're just gonna be blending that in with Stardust, and you get this really nice, pretty effect when the two colors mix together. So good, so good. And then you're only gonna bring it into where your pupil is. Morphe brush, and we're gonna take a little bit of Stardust again and just blend it all together. Blending is going to be the key when you're doing looks like these, because you don't want anything to look too harsh. You want it to look nice and blended like a sunset. We are nice and blended. There's no fallout on the face, which is why I love using this palette. The colors don't stain. There is no fallout really. There is some on the pan when I use Stardust, but I don't know it. None of the other colors do that, just that one does for me. But we're going to be going in with the shade Water Bearer, which is this more browny red color. We're just going to use that to deepen up the crease and just bring a little bit more dimension to the eyes. That way it doesn't look so flat. This right next to Sweet Dreams. And then we're going to blend it up a little bit into the crease right here. And we're going to go like 1/4. So before your pupil, because we want most of the dimension to be on the outside, and you can already see what the difference between the two eyes. Okay, so now that we are all blended, cut crease, set, and reblended, we're gonna go ahead and pop on the shimmer shade. But I find it's more just like just a glitter topping. Like, there's no actual. Okay, maybe that worked a little bit better. I don't know. Okay, that shade definitely has fallout. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the eyes how they are right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with foundation. So this is the Dewy and Smooth foundation in 120 Classic Ivory. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge just to put some foundation on my face and blend it out with my sponge. And go in with concealer now. So this is the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is in the brightener. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this underneath the eyes. Head and put a little bit of little bit of this ColourPop concealer in Fair 02. This one is definitely way too light for me, but I like mixing the two together. I feel like it just lifts the face so well. I'm like, yes, honey. So I think I'm gonna vlog that just because he likes it when I record us catching fish and stuff like that, and I think it's really fun because, you know, I'll be able to look back at memories with him. I might make a playlist for that. I did make a playlist for my dumpster diving videos, so if you like dumpster diving, and we find some really freaking cool stuff in the dumpster, so definitely go check out those videos. They are on my channel in a playlist, so you can watch all of my dumpster diving videos that me and my brother and my friend Brina have done together in the last year that I've had my YouTube channel. We are in the middle of working on a new dumpster diving video. Enough footage yet to upload the video yet, but we're working on it. So stay tuned for all of our dumpster diving videos because we definitely have some fun exploring and finding stuff in the dumpsters. So while I was talking, I went ahead and just used that Coty Airspun just to bake underneath the eyes, set my smile lines in my little wrinkle up here. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking this big fluffy brush and just kind of wiping all the powder away. I'm a little pale, so I'm thinking that we should work on bronzing the skin up a little bit. So we're going to be taking the butter bronzer. We're going to be taking the butter bronzer from Precision Formula, and I'm just going to be go ahead and using a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. I like this one just because it's tapered and it comes to a nice point, so it's good to chisel out them cheeks. And basically, I'm just going to be using this to bronze up the skin. And then I like to blend it up towards the temples and in the hairline. Ooh, what's happening? Ooh. Blend it up towards the hairline, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the forehead. And it gives the face just some nice structure, dimension, helps the face have a little bit more life and not look so flat. And then go ahead and carve out that jawline. Get rid of them double chins. I'm gonna be going ahead and using the Balm Springs. It's just a little sample that I got from one of my Ipsy bags. But I really like this brush. I think it's definitely a dupe for the Tarte Spicy blush. If you guys love that one, you'll definitely love this one. And I really like the formula, and it's definitely long lasting. But this is the Balm blush and Balm Springs. Super cute. But yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead, smile, put it on the apples of my cheeks. I definitely go heavy-handed with the blush just because it is the first thing to fade on your face. So just put it on the apples of the cheeks and then blend it back towards your bronzer in your hairline. Make sure you're going up, that way your face looks nice lifted and looks like it's a little bit more natural and not like you look like a clown and you just have this red mark all over your cheeks. So blend it up. You can stiffle it, swirl it, head and dust away that little bit of bake right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and set the face. This is the BH Studio Pro Makeup Setting Spray. This one is really good. However, I do feel like literally it's like a camel is spitting at you, so you have to like be like way out there just so you don't have spots on your face. Use this spray. So we're just gonna go ahead and let that sink in. It's gonna help melt the makeup down and help it not look so powdery and look more like skin. For our face to dry a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with one of my all-time favorite lipsticks. This is the Revlon Ultra HD lipstick. This is in Magnolia, and this is what it looks like. Super cute, just like this pale pinky nude. Super hydrating, nice, comfortable on the lips, and then when it does wear off, it leaves this nice stain on your lips. It is super cute. It's gonna be the Mary Luminizer, yeah. This is also from the Balm. This is another sample I did get from Ipsy. Definitely love it. If you're just starting out with makeup, I definitely would recommend Ipsy, just because you get to try all these high-end brands without paying or breaking the bank. I don't have any of the subscriptions at the moment, but like it's just so beautiful. I would definitely purchase this. But anyways, after we went and highlighted our face, I'm gonna go back and set my face. Basically almost done, guys. Yes. All right, so we're gonna be going in with this eyelash color. This is so old. I got this from Claire's probably in middle school or something like that, and it's still going pretty strong. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. My eyes. And I love this mascara. So easy to get off at the end of the day, and it makes your lashes look so nice and long. Alright guys, so we were almost done with today's video. Our last step is going to be lip gloss. So our lip gloss are juicy, plumped, and poppin'. So the lip gloss I'm going to be using is my favorite lip gloss of all times. It's the Ultra Glossy Lips from ColourPop in the Kathleenlight collection. This is in the shade Moonchild. This is actually one of my favorite lip glosses. It has the most prettiest gold reflex, and it's a nude lip gloss. So it looks really good over the lipstick from Revlon. You could definitely just leave that on, but we need a little gloss to pop. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely love the way this look turned out. However, the glittery eyeshadow part didn't really work out, but the white base is still popping through, and we do have a little bit of that gold reflect glitter on top, so it does look pretty good. But yeah, I really like the way this makeup look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the look that we did today. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. For today's video, I love you guys and you are beautiful.